check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, Electron Man. Well, we're still working on this this Pace 1000M sideband, side talk, and as you can see, I've got the faceplate looking really good. I completely took it off there and hit it with the brush and alcohol and some SOS and whatever else I could find, and I really got her cleaned up pretty nice. I'm happy with the way it's really going to come out to be a really nice restore. Also, as well, inside I've got a mic wired for it now, so I could do some more testing. Did have one little problem with the modulation, come down to one little resistor I had to replace here. But we got the audio working good. I don't think this radio was ever tweaked or tuned, although it's talking pretty good now. In fact, I'll go ahead and give you a little sneak preview here. Here's my meter here. Hell audio. She's did keying 4 about swinging 10. Not bad on AM. Yeah, it's completely up and running now, guys. I'm so happy with it. As you saw before, it was really rough shape, so I'm going through and cleaning up stuff and getting everything sorted out on it, and kind of wanted to give you an update. I'm gonna spend a little time. I don't know if you guys want to watch this or not, but basically I've got a problem here of this knob was missing when I got it. I mean, this came out of a pile of dead radios, mind you, so it's come a long ways, but it didn't have that knob, and you know, forget trying to match it or find it. But I did go through all my knob digging, and I found I believe this is probably an old Cobra, off an old Cobra 148 or whatever, but it's a double knob, because this one knob here is one of those double knobs. The outside's the volume, the inside's the squelch, or a dual purpose knob, I guess. I don't know how you want to say that, but anyway, well, this part, the little knob, fits on there perfect, and of course it fits in the other knob. I mean, this is a perfect setup except for one thing. With this Pace, it's real close to the collar on the back knob, whereas I guess on the Cobra it sticks out a lot further. So anyway, needless to say, it's too deep down in there when I try to put it on there. See, it doesn't work. So my idea here is we'll sacrifice this, and I think I can just cut that ridge off right there, and I think that'll get me to where it will fit on there. And I mean, it's a pretty good match other than that. So let me go ahead and move this camera, and we're gonna get the old Dremel tool out and do some chopping and see if we can get a knob to get this thing looking good on the front. Get my little old cordless rotary tool out here. I actually did a review on this about a year ago. I think probably even over a year ago, but I have used the heck out of this thing, and the battery, man, it lasts forever. I think I charge it I think I maybe charged it once since I've had it, and I've done a lot. I mean, you can tell this wheel's worn down, but anyway, I'm not throwing a pitch for this. I just mentioned if you're looking for a good rotary tool, that one has served me well, and it's still working good. So I think my review is fair, and I'm still happy with my purchase on that. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what we can do about cutting this down as neatly as we can. It's going to be a bit of a trick here. Make sure the arbor's in there tight. Pushing it too hard. Although, looks like I'm getting a good job here. And I think that went off pretty smooth without a hitch there. So you can see that or not, it Can't even tell I cut it. I'm trying to make sure that edge is nice and even all the way across. Nice thing about it is I can just trim as needed. It turned out pretty good looking now then. The big question is it going to work in here? Yeah, let me get this mic out of the way. Don't need that on there for right now. I think I'm golden here, but I need to clean it too, but let's just do a test fit on here first. It should fit a little tighter. It almost feels like it needs one of those little metal things in there. But we can work on that. Let's see here. Where's the half moon at on it? What do you think, guys? I think that's a pretty good replacement. Squelch. That's awesome. Yeah, and it actually lines up about even with the other ones. I don't think if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know that wasn't a factory knob there. Pretty cool, huh, guys? Well, as I continue on with this, we'll come back here in a little bit. I just kind of want to give you an update how it's looking. Got the cover going. As you saw, she's definitely walking and talking on all channels. Really, the last part I got to do here is I'm going to get in here and do some tuning on it, get it centered on channels, do all the ship shape on it, and do a little electron man tuning, see what I can get out of her. As you know, I don't clip wires, I don't cut diodes. That's not the way I work. The way I work is I get the maximum out of a stock radio. They come from the factory a little conservative, and I just bring them up. But I don't risk them. I don't overdrive them. I don't over tweak them. I keep them within tolerance where you can put this radio in a vehicle and run it for the next 5 years and not have to worry about burning it up. I could be like the other guys, get a really loose meter, go in there and set the modulation to splatter 3,000 and get it swinging 22, 25 watts. But what's the point? You talk to somebody on the road and they're going to say you sound like crap. And you will. It'll just, you want a clear audio is what you want out of a radio. But sorry, I didn't mean to get on that tangent. But anyway, we're moving right along on this guy. We're going to finish this part up, and I'll get in here and start doing some alignment on it, and we'll come back and take a good final look at it after I got her all tuned and aligned and ready to rock and roll.